The Imperial Dam long-term visitor area contains many camping areas. One of the more popular areas on the southern side of Imperial Dam is Beehive, Mesa. Located right across from the Christian Service Center is Beehive, Mesa. Beehive Mesa is sort of a three-way branch out here. There's a branch to the left, somewhat rough, and then there's a short run to the south ahead. Unless you want four-wheel drive, you can't go much farther. And then there's a much larger section to the right with another little ridge up on the top.